What's this out of, Jim?
I had it in the shop, he saved it. Figured I was going to use it, and there it sits. Be nice to find a home for it.
Engine, transmission. What do you? What's it worth? Hundreds.
I guess 300 for those.
All right. $50,000. Okay. 50 some. Oh, that's ignition stuff.
I don't know if they had it running out of the vehicle.
Yeah, I mean, look at how it's crated. I didn't even realize that.
Resistor and everything hooked up to it. So.
Oh, that's so cool. That is. And then the factory stickers are all right there. 600.
212 horsepower.
Yeah. Tells you how anemic it is right on the air cleaner.
Yeah, right.
And to top it off, they stuff it in a motorhome. Oh my God. There's the beginning days of the... Have you had this for years?
We got it last fall.
Oh, okay.
Basically a Caprice grill.
Yeah, my friend had a Buick Roadmaster with the 5.7.
Crazy thing is, the guy that bought this, we got it from, he flew out out east and bought it,
Okay.
drove it back, and parked it.
No, it is spotless. Look at the pinch welds. You don't see this here.
This guy that's got one like it, he bought the inner fender wells out because you know how rotten they are.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Transmission, the 4L60. How long has that trans been out?
This is the early version of it.
Okay. And then they went to the 4L60E. Okay, gotcha,
This
yeah.
is still-
Sometimes you just gotta get out. You never know what you're gonna find. Or come across. What is this? I guess when you need to haul your trailer. Have a great day.